Hi there, my name is Claire Palmer and I am the owner and director of Structural Engineering Consultancy in North London. I live in North London and I have 3 teenage daughters. I've had many careers in my time. I've worked in many industries. I've been a lecturer, I've been the buyer in a factory in Tottenham, I've been a cleaner, I've been a chef, I've been a waitress. I've taken a business studies course at college, and I've also got a master's in linguistics. I've had a very varied career, but I've taken all of that experience, all of that knowledge through the industries that I've worked at and the company I now own. What does International Women's Day mean to me? It's a day of celebration. It's a day to say thank you to all those women who have made changes over the last 100 years. They've caused a seismic change in the working environment for women, and we've got to say thank you to them. Now, what's the current situation in the construction industry today? 12% of the people who work in construction are women. Of that 12%, a large number work in marketing or business development, accountancy. Only a very fraction, a small percentage of those women are STEM trained, are engineers. Now, why do I think that is? I think girls don't choose engineering. They don't choose to study STEM at university. They don't take STEM A levels. I don't know why that is. I wish I knew the answer. But what does that mean for me in my company? Well, it means it's quite hard to employ female engineers. We have 5 of our 26 engineers are women, and I'm very proud of that. That's been hard work. When I try to employ, I very rarely get CVs from women, but I keep ploughing on, keep trying to employ women. Now, how do we change that? I think, well, the first thing, and your school will be angry with me, but I would choose the theme for International Women's Day. I would choose to change it from choose to challenge to choose for it to be okay within the STEM industry. Largely, it's fine for women to work in. Sexism still exists, but it's much quieter. It's not as loud as it used to be. You won't encounter it as often as women before you did. An example of sexism that I have experienced was an interview that I conducted with a male colleague to a male engineer. Now, he looked at my male colleague straight in the eye. It ignored me completely and said, "What does the lady do?" Now, I didn't confront him, but I didn't give him a job either. Now, I'm not very brave. I hate confrontation. I hate battling. I don't like arguing. And I didn't become a director of a company by being a tough and argumentative businesswoman. And if you're like me and you just like STEM, you like studying maths, you like studying physics, you can expect your life within STEM to be okay. You can just get on with your life. You won't have to be on high alert all the time, worried about what's going to happen to you, how men are going to behave to you. You don't have to be on the defensive all the time. You can just expect it to be okay. Now, who inspires me in my life? Overwhelmingly, my inspiration at life is my school friends. I went to an all-girls school like you did, and my friends have become all sorts of things. They've a GP, a barrister, surveyors. One of my friends works in women's health in Africa. She won lots of awards. My best friend is a farmer. And so we're very, very different women now. But throughout our life, they've inspired me greatly. They've helped me. They give me advice. And all their successes I'm encouraged by, definitely. I love them all dearly. Now, some of them are brave. Most of us aren't, actually. We're not that brave. But we get on and we are happy in our lives. We're all where we want to be. So look around you. They're the people that will inspire you as you go through your life. And happy International Women's Day.